So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts. So today we're out here mowing Monday morning. I want to share with you guys a little bit of my journey mowing lawns, how I decided to start this lawn care business, but more importantly, I want to share with you guys how mowing lawns has truly changed my life. Now, when I share with people that I started a lawn care business as a teenager, they say, so you're out there mowing lawns. But guys, there is so much more than just mowing lawns. I'm gonna get in here real quick, but I want to share with you guys what you can do to get started. More importantly, how you can generate your first business, how you can start making money on your own terms, and more importantly, why I believe mowing lawns is one of the best business for entrepreneurs, teenagers to get started at a young age. So for me, if you've not yet heard the story, I decided to start this lawn and landscaping business out of my dad's truck, my dad's push mower, my dad's blower. I started knocking on doors, started getting my first few customers. I decided to go out there and start building this business. So I grew this business through my community college journey, and then right now I decided to drop out of college, kind of work on other businesses, but it all started from my lawn care business. Now, the lawn care business is a great industry. Now, the reason that I love and I think so many people can make great money, my hands are dirty, is because people do not want to get their hands dirty. There is a lot of opportunity out there for those young hustlers, those people. When I was a teenager, when I wanted to find ways to make money, mowing lawns was one of the best ways that I could generate income in my life. Now, secondly, why I decided to quit my first real job. I was working on a farm, I was working as a busboy, had 2 jobs in high school, but I realized that when I started this business as a lawn care guy, I wasn't making great money, but I realized that I can go out there and cut 3 to 4 lawns, make $150, $160 in 2 hours, rather than working, 12 hours per shift at these jobs, because I realized the power of being your own entrepreneur. I knew that I didn't have to trade my time for exactly how much money I wanted to make. I could go out, I could say, hey, I have 4 lawns to do here when I'm just getting started. 4 lawns here, we're gonna make $160. It doesn't matter how long I get them done. As long as I get them done, I'm gonna make money. So one of the greatest money principles that I learned, and one of the greatest money principles that starting this lawn care business, your first side hustle, your first way to make money as a teenager, your first way to make money at a young age, is realizing that you don't have to trade your time for money. So people go into these jobs, they feel like they're just kind of just grinding away, not doing their, it's not exciting work. You're just going out there, putting your time in, clocking in and clocking out, and then you're getting a paycheck. And then taxes are coming on. They're not really making what you feel. I learned the value or the principle of understanding your value through a service. And lastly, guys, I realized that people need your help. Now, the reason that this business has changed my life is allowed me to understand that I could be an entrepreneur at a young age, that I could go out there and build businesses. Secondly, I realized I could start earning income on my own terms. I started being my own boss. I started making my own schedules. I started failing on my own. This whole process was a huge development in my life, but also I realized the impact I could have on people's life. Now, people say, why would I want to start a business? I can work here, but I realized that I could start impacting lives through my service. Now, at first, it could be difficult. It could be disheartening when you're just getting started. You could be very beat down when you only have a few customers. I've been there. I knew what it was like. But guys, you will get over this hump. If you are a great service provider, if you're a young hustler, a teenager who wants to make money, wherever you are in your career, you want to make some extra income in your life, well, you're gonna find out that this side hustle can truly start changing your life as well. That one customer that you had eventually tells the second customer. The second customer sees that you're doing great work. The third customer notices that you're showing up on time, that you text them before you come, that you're reliable, that they had a service, but they weren't doing the best job, but they want you back, so they'll call you back next year. You're starting to build this calendar. It's slowly starting to build, and guess what? You find yourself in your first business. So I want to give you guys a little bit of practical advice for you to start your lawn care journey. What are you waiting on? Why are you wasting your time working for someone else? Why are you slaving away for someone else, building someone else's empire, making someone else wealthy, when you know deep down that, hey, I want to start this business. I want to start a business for myself. I want to start making money on my terms. I deserve more in life, because if I want to build something, it's going to come down to me. Now, there's times when I didn't sleep much, when I was grinding, I was out there by myself, when I didn't have a crew, when I didn't have a landscape guy, I was working, finding other ways to do it, but you will find a way. This whole business model has completely changed my life. And now lastly, it's impacted me in so many different ways. Through, this business, through this grind, it's realized how much I appreciate serving others. It's realized that I love business, that I love entrepreneurship, that I love helping other people. And this has fed into so many new business opportunities in my life. I took the small lawn care business that I'm still running, that I started as a teenager, from 0 to 50 customers my first year, from me growing from nothing, from people telling me that you're not going to build anything, from my dad laughing in my face saying you're never going to have have a business, for me having all this, ambition against me. People were just doubting on me. To me, just knowing deep down that I could do it. I could find a way, and that's exactly what I did. Every day I woke up, I found a way, and now 3.5, 4 years later, I've grew a pretty successful business in my own terms. I was able to use my income, start generating other sources of income, starting to invest money for my future self. And this business, Push Mowing Lawns, guys, saving money, pushing it away for myself, going out there and saving every dollar, investing it back into more equipment, buying commercial equipment, buying a new truck, has truly began to change my life. Was making my income was dramatically increased throughout every year at a young age, through high school, through my college days, when I was going out there from community college, going out to class, going out to soccer practice, and coming up from soccer practice, mowing 4 to 5 lawns. Guys, this has taught me so much in life, and more importantly, it has led to some financial opportunity in my life. So the last thing I want to share is the opportunity behind mowing lawns, guys. Some people say it's just cash, not a long-term career, but it is a career. If you want to make it a career, if you want to start building a business, any business has the power to change your life. So many people, I realize that some people kind of demonize the lawn care industry. Some people say, oh, my buddy has a lawn care, he has a lawn care business. You're going out there and cutting grass. You are doing more than just cutting grass. You are preparing a schedule. You are communicating with customers. You're providing a quality service. You're going out there helping them. You are being a human. You are helping another human. So don't let other people hold you back. Go understand that this business that you want to start can truly start impacting others, can truly start changing your life, can lead you down to new opportunities in life, guys. And for me, it allowed me to understand how important it is to take risks at a young age, how important it is to go after what you want to do, how important it is to go out there and live your dream life at a young age, whether it's a lawn care business where it's starting to generate income online, all the things that I'm really passionate now. I knew that I wanted to do this for myself. I knew, and I had the opportunity to work in corporate America. I was, had an internship in this position, going out there fulfilling a 9-to-5 job, working, slaving away. It just was not a fun way to live. I was depressed going to work. I was upset, but I knew deep down I wasn't myself. This lawn care business has taught me so much. I am so grateful for where I've come from, what I've built, how many people I have impacted, guys. And I just want to say that you can do this too. And I just want to share that I'm here for you guys as well. I remember when I was there. I'm part of this channel. I know it's not going to be all lawn care restricted, but I just want to share with you guys my journey as a 22-year-old entrepreneur, guys. Give you the truth. I'm out here sweating, still grinding on my own. It's a Monday. I have guys out in the field, and I'm still just trying to serve every customer. I've learned so much from this business. This business has allowed me to have some freedom. This weekend, I went to a little trip in Florida because I was able to start this business. I was able to make income online while I was away. I was able to invest more money. I was able to start building wealth with my money. I'm starting to think about building financial, freedom in my life, all through this small business, all through this decision to make, hey, I'm going to go start this business at a young age. I don't care what other people think. I know people are going to judge me. I don't know how to start this business, but I'm going to get it done. Guys, has truly changed my life, and I know it can change your life. So I want to say, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, I just want to say I'm here for you. I want to help as many people as possible. I love you guys so much. Sorry for the fast talk. We're going to go here, finish the rest of the day. If you guys need anything, again, please hit me up. I love you guys so much. So grateful for what we're building, and let's grow together. Cheers. Have the best day ever, guys. Love you. Take care.